we're going to take a look at what you can do if, let's say, when we're working in paper space and you might find that you've got a drawing a bit like this that's coming out a bit dark. I mean, to be fair, for this demonstration, I've turned down the lighting a bit so that it appears dark. So just to illustrate the difference. But what you can do, a quick and simple way to adjust the lighting on this, just to brighten this up, is to go to the assembly that this view was brought in from. So this is an assembly. What we had, we're basically working with some carcassing here that we're using on a job to support some GRP fiberglass mouldings, and this drawing's looking a little bit dark. You would normally have this left-hand feature tree here in your assembly down the left-hand side, and if you go across here, you can see up the top here we've got various options. You can go into the property manager, configurations, dimension expert, but we want to go to the display manager on the left-hand side, and a quick and easy way then just to brighten this up is to, lights might be hidden away, go to lights, but expand it, and you can do all sorts of things. I mean, you can add more lights, directional lights, make them, do all lots of fancy things if you want to do that, and mess around with it. But a quick and easy way is just to adjust the value of the ambient light, which is kind of the all over general lighting of it. So if you right click on that, go edit this particular light. I've got it at 0.1 here at the moment, which is why it's quite dark. I think it defaults to 2.5 or 3, somewhere around those kind of values. I found that for this particular drawing, just inching it up to 0.4 was, 0.5 was too bright when I saved it out to the PDF, but at 0.4 it was pretty good. So you just tick it off there at 0.4. You can see the screen's brightened up. Go back to where you were, and if you minimize and then go back to your drawing, you can see the whole drawing's brightened up. And all you do is go in the normal way, file, save as, select your PDF, and then save it out. So I've saved out already. You can see here test 1 and test 2, and I'll cancel this off and just show you what they look like, just so you can see the difference. So here we go, PDFs. So this is 2. You see it's all nice and bright. Gives a nice clear definition. So you can brighten things up. So if you've got some dark colours in here and you maybe just want to accentuate the difference, where you've got your notes on, if it's a bit dark, just so they read better, it's useful for that. And then if you go back to 1, you can see this is the original at 0.1. It's all a bit dull, a bit unexciting. So back to 2 and then 1. You can see it's just brightens it up. So it's quick and easy just to do that. There's loads of other fancy ways you can do all sorts of things if you want to. But if you just find that when you're saving out to PDF, it's all looking a little bit dark, and you want a quick way to do it, I hope this helps and saves you a little bit of stress. Thanks.